Hello. Today we're gonna be cooking hinatukan nga baka. This is my take on an old recipe which people in Dagami cook. They call it hinatukan nga karabaw, meaning carrot beef with coconut milk. They put blood on it, but on this recipe I'm not gonna be putting blood because the family don't really eat that. Anyway, I think a lot of you will enjoy this recipe. Okay, to start with, this is shrimp paste. This is dried shrimp called hibi. This is garlic, onions. These are bell peppers, chilies, local chilies, and then this is of course ginger. It's been pounded. We'll pound that again, and then some peppers. This is our local basil. This is called sangig. I get some here. And then this is the lemongrass, which we call tanglad. And of course, turmeric, which we call dulaw. We're also going to be needing patis. This is fish sauce. Asian cooking, we usually use this. And then we need lots and lots of coconut milk. This one's the first pressing. This is the second pressing. This we're going to be using to really cook the meat. And this when the meat is already cooked. So now we're going to be pounding the basic ingredients. So garlic. And then the onions. Put that in there. Put the ginger in. And the chilies. And of course the shrimps, the dried shrimps. Put that in there. Now we're going to be chopping the turmeric. We're going to be using the roots this time so we can have a more strong taste. Oh, maybe we should put this there in the mortar. Lemongrass. So first we're going to be having some cooking oil. Made from coconut. Okay, so now we'll put in the paste. Now we mix the meat. Now we put the second pressing of the coconut milk. We'll wait till it reduces. Once it reduces, that's the time we're going to be putting in the first pressing of the coconut milk. So we'll have to wait for a little while to cover this. Now we're on to the finishing touches. So we'll start with the lemongrass. This is how the locals eat it. Put it in there. The leaves of the turmeric. The bell pepper. Shrimp paste, fish sauce to taste, and then of course the pepper. Then we'll have some salt, just a little. Now we're mixing the whole thing together. Now we're midway through cooking. The meat is a bit soft already. We've mixed bell peppers and the leaves of the turmeric, and we're just waiting for the sauce to reduce. Now we're finally putting the first pressing of the coconut milk together with the basil, local basil, which we call sangig. So we'll wait until it boils, and it's, I think, already cooked.